Hello everyone. What you're about to learn in this video has been reviewed and approved by expert mechanics at the shop, so relax. This can be fixed. When your Mazda shows the message radar cruise control disabled under 20 MPH, the first reaction is usually, did my adaptive cruise control break? Don't worry, most of the time it's nothing serious. What the car is telling you is that adaptive cruise control can't operate below about 20 miles per hour, or that the sensors aren't ready to function safely at this moment. The interesting part is that, according to the mechanics here, the message sometimes appears even when you're well above 20 mph. This happens because the system relies on the front camera and radar to see cars and obstacles ahead. If the sensors can't clearly detect the surroundings due to dirt, rain, ice, snow, or sun glare, the Mazda decides to limit the function and shows the warning as a precaution. That's why the first trick almost all mechanics recommend is to thoroughly clean the windshield where the camera and radar are located. Many report that just doing this makes the message disappear because the system can see the road clearly again and stops panicking unnecessarily. Also, on cold or foggy days, the lens can fog up, and waiting a few minutes is often enough for the message to go away on its own. Another common pattern is that the warning pops up more on sunny mornings or when the sun hits the camera directly. In these cases, the issue isn't the radar or camera, it's the sunlight confusing the system. It's like your Mazda saying, I can't see clearly, better go into precaution mode. Frustrating, yes, but it's more about caution than a real failure. If after cleaning the sensors and waiting the message still appears, it's time to check the MRCC settings and ADAS modules. In rare cases, the software might have a minor glitch, or a sensor may need recalibration. At that point, you'll need to visit a dealership or specialized shop to have it read with professional tools.